First thing we're going to do is set our Instant Pot to saute and more. What we're going to do is we're going to take our flour and we're going to put it in our bag. That is going to be to dredge our short ribs once we season them. That we're going to take all of our seasoning and place it in a bag so that we can season our short ribs. Next, we're going to take our short ribs and we're going to put them in a bag that has our seasoning. And we are going to coat them with our seasoning. Once our short ribs are completely coated with seasoning, I'm going to take a little bit of avocado oil and I'm going to put that in my bag. Just a little. And then we are going to coat it with the avocado oil and then dredge it in. The short ribs are coated nicely with seasoning on all sides. Now we're just going to drop them in the bag and dredge them. Short ribs are dredged in flour, just a light coating on the outside to help them brown. Our Instant Pot is at hot because I had it on during the entire time that I was doing my seasoning. I'm going to take some of my avocado oil and I'm going to put it in the bottom of my Instant Pot. We're not deep frying. And then we are going to go in and we are going to brown our ribs. All right, our short ribs are beautifully brown on all sides. I'm going to remove them and deglaze the bottom of the pan. I browned my short ribs off and now I'm about to deglaze my pan. Deglazing is just getting the souks or the nice little bits of flavor that are at the bottom off the bottom. Then you won't get a burn notice. You see my pot is still hot. I'm going to add in I have some beef stock here. I'm going to add in my beef stock. And I'm going to take my wooden spoon and I'm just going to run it on the bottom, scraping the bottom nicely. Okay. Now this is called deglazing. As you can see, all those bits that were at the bottom of the pan are no longer stuck to the bottom. Okay. So that's how you deglaze your pan. And if you see some that are still stuck, you just go in, scrape those off. And now they're all gone. So my stock that I used to deglaze, oh, it's fogging up my camera, is coming to a boil. So I'm going to take my short ribs and place them back into the pot. And I normally put the bone side down just because, no real reason. I just like it that way. Okay, flip this one back over. And then what we're going to do now is we are going to you thought I was going to forget about that. Never. Get all of that off, back into your pot. That's all the flavor from the ribs. Then we are going to come here and hit cancel, meat stew, and we are going to do 35 minutes. I'm going to put my top on. And then that's all I'm going to do. We'll be back when our short ribs of beef are done. And we're just going to take them out. Be very careful because, yep, just like I thought, they're falling apart right in the Instant Pot. I'm just going to put them right here on a little serving plate. As you notice, there's no burn. There's nothing. The bone actually fell off. All good. I'll put that right there. And as you can see, my 35 minutes worked perfectly. And I also did full NPR, which is natural pressure release. And you see all the juice that came out of that. So, there's the dish. IP, short ribs of beef. Enjoy.